the celebration of our Ayana Christmas. Put your hands together for Ayana one more time. My name is Uncle Charles. Some of you guys know me as Chuck, Uncle Chuck, whatever it is. I appreciate and love all of you. Right now we're going to take you to the island of Samoa. We have gathered for you today a team of Dago Warriors all the way from San Diego. These guys are rooted here. Here we go.
Let's go, boys.
gonna show you how it goes. This, I don't know if I made it for the last graduation, but that's why I'm thinking I'm going to make a special dance for her today for his graduation. Ayana, you get ready. I open in my dance to my granddaughter, $500.
Ayana heads inside to the backdrop and anybody wants to take pictures, Bryson will be taking pictures. Please do go take pictures, and if you took them on your phone, please send them to me as well, so we have other memories from today. But we just wanted to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to our parents who helped us with our party. Thank you to our aunties and uncles, to our friends and family that came in from far and near, to my crew that helped me because I, couldn't do much with my arm, and to everybody that just came to celebrate Ayana. You guys, Nana said it, you guys are part of our village. That's why you're here. And from our family, blood family, to our chosen family, our church family, our soccer family, we love you guys, and we thank you for coming to celebrate with us.
I just want to say thank you for everyone coming out. I really appreciate all of you showing up, especially coming from far. And a special thank you to my parents, because without any of this, because without them, none of this would happen. So true. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, Claudia already said everything. I just want to thank every single one of you guys, especially to my aunties, Nora, to my dad, and then also my in-laws. Like I said, it takes a village to raise this young child, but appreciate every single one of you guys. So please, take a lot of this food, because I ain't taking it home with me tonight. So eat up, make some plates, and be on your way. But before we end, I just want everybody to know that, hey man, we're going to end this portion. Who's going to pray? And we're going to have our First Lady, Pastor Sarah, to come up here to close out this section, and then after that we get our boogie on, okay? So, night is young, we're not done yet.
Jogging on them, hate them, man. When I do that soldier boy, I need to lift that, crank that thing out. I'm jogging on them, and if we get the fight, then I'm coming, You get me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters getting mad, crank